back. I'm backwards. Yeah, Mom. No more. Daddy, I was learning how to keep her balance.
Good. Daniel, stay down here. Don't go to the sidewalk, though, because Brendan's coming through.
Oh.
And he's down. But he's back up. And he's okay. Right back on the horse.
There's Brendan.
Yep. What's he doing?
I'm falling down.
What's he trying to do?
Falling down.
No, he's trying to ride his bike.
He's just falling on the grass.
He fell on the grass, but he got right back up, didn't he? He's going to keep trying.
Oh. Yeah?
Right back up.
You hold it. Where's mine? Where's mine go?
Your what?
Where's mine? Where's my bike over there?
Your bike's in the grass.
Over there? Oh, the doggy. Dog's over there.
Doggies are crossing the street.
Two doggies.
I saw you.
Wow.
Did Brendan fall down?
Look at him go.
He's so fast.
Well, he must not have hurt himself when he fell.
Oh no. He just came all the way down the block from like 1, 2, 3, good 5 houses up.
Yeah.
And Daniel just fell off the sidewalk.
Uh-oh. He must be okay. I don't hear him screaming.
No.
Ah, I heard that. What are you doing, Daniel?
That's enough, Daddy.
You're playing with Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I had fun at the parade.
He did have
You're
fun.
not afraid? Well, that's good.
He said he had fun at the parade.